5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Sir, as we look at our imports, which have increased by 9 to 10 times of our exports, we find that the major elements which have led to this shooting up of our imports have been first crude oil and petroleum products, which occupy now 70% of our imports. Stop. Mr. Finance Minister in the Associated Chambers of Commerce meeting yesterday gave the figure of 72%, and he said that we must plan to bring it down to 60%. Stop. So the major components of our huge import bill are first the petroleum products and crude oil, and second the group of other items of maintenance such as fertilizers, edible oils, cement, etc. Stop. Now, Mr. Vice Chairman, my fourth point is that the import policy which has been announced in this house for this year does not deal with the main elements. These two groups of elements, namely crude oil and petroleum products and fertilizers, edible oil and cement, which are causing this huge deficit. Stop. We have got a good import policy, but it has nothing to do with the elements which are causing the main mischief in our trade balance. Stop. Let me summarize to recall what has been stated in our new import policy. Stop. The new import policy has removed 160 items from the open general license. It has shifted 42 from the restricted to the banned list, and it has placed 63 new items under the open general license. Stop. Stanza. Now, if I am not mistaken, Mr. Vice Chairman, this import policy will reduce our imports this year from that of last year by rupees 100 crores. Stop. Now, this rupees 100 crores reduction of our imports by this new import policy is about 0.8% of our total import bill. Stop. That is all that our import policy does, because the new import policy has nothing to do, as I said, with the other two major elements causing the import bill to go up, namely crude oil and petroleum products and fertilizers, edible oils and cement. Stop. Now, may I say that with rupees 100 crores reduction, that the new import policy is going to economize economies on the import bill for the next year is not likely to be on account of the import bill on items other than petrol, etc. Stop. Stanza. If the finance minister is right, if the government is right, and the president's address is right, is going to be an upsurge of 10% in industrial development. Stop. Over.